Hello guys, it's Dennis here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today on our SQL series, we're going to be talking about the order by clause. So in our previous video, we talked about the group by clause, but today we are focusing on the order by clause. I will drop the link to this data on the description below so you can download the data and follow along. So basically, what is order by? Order by is very simple because order by basically helps us to sort our data alphabetically. So you have a bunch of names and you want to arrange them alphabetically. You can use the order by clause to do that. Or if you're working with data that contains money and then you want the highest figures to be at the top, you can use the order by to do that. So let me quickly show you how to use the order by clause. So select everything from employee data, order by first name, then ascending order. But before I run this query, let me show you how our data looks like and how the SQL orders their data. So see, the SQL originally we use the employee ID to order our data for us. So that's why you're seeing Dennis Ako as the first employee, but arranging them alphabetically, this will come first, this will come second before Dennis. But because the SQL is using our employee ID, 1001 comes before 1002 or 1003. So but now let's use the order by clause to, and now I'm telling the SQL to order our data by our first name column. So this is the first name. I can use the last name column, but I can also use the gender to do that. But I can also use the age column. So you can use any of these columns to order our data. So let's run this and see. So we asked our SQL to order our data from A to Z. So now on the first name column, which we use to order our data, Adi is first and the second is, and you see AD AD came before AN, so that's why we are having Adi as our first. See now Dennis originally that was first is now here because D comes after these two A's. So yeah, that's it. Now let's order by descending order. So okay, let's say now I want to order data from the bottom to the top. So select everything from employee data, order by still first name, descending order. So now we're going to use the descending order to, okay, so you can use your F5 key to execute. So now remember previously Toby was the last, but now he's first because we are using the descending order. So from the bottom to the top. Why this is from the top to the bottom? See, so again, let's try and order with our age column and see. So select everything from employee data, order by age, descending order. So I want the highest age to come first. So now we are ordering our data, by age. So see, Samson is now first because of Samson is the oldest guy here. So 38, 35. Where's my guy Dennis? Okay, see Dennis is here. Where is Adi? See Adi is second to last. Why Andy is last? So because we are ordering by age. So you can also order by gender. Okay, so let's order by gender and see. Select. Okay, let's say first name, last name, gender, from employee data, order by gender, ascending order. What did I do? So let's find it and see. Okay, so no, F comes before M. So of course, so that's why we are having the female employees before the male employees. So add this is first, Jesse, Mary. So we are ordering by gender. So here doesn't matter. So what matters is this column. So now the film F comes before M, so that's why all the female employees came first. So that's just it. So you can use the order by clause with, I think, with almost everything in SQL. You can use it with joins. You can use it with Windows functions, CTE. You can use it with group by, where clause. I think you can almost use it with everything in SQL. So it's very, very, very helpful. Like I said, if you want, let's say the top five sales from last year, you can use the order by to do that from your sales column. So it's very, very helpful. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel.